This is the last one of the series of 3 activities that help students read strip diagrams fluently. Students use the knowledge of joining action, that is part plus part equals total, and separating action, that's total minus part equals to the other part, to solve these problems and write a word problem. Here are, this activity contains both the types of problems where total is known and a part is given and the other part is unknown. And here in this case, total is unknown. So part plus part equals total. This is a joining action. And this is a separating action. So they identify, students identify before they draw a picture and write a word problem and then find the solution. Let's work on this. Total is given 6 and 5, and this part is unknown. A total of 6 units, and one part of these 6 units is 5. This is one part, and the other part is this one. The word problem, first let me write down the number sentence, is 1. The word problem is, let's say, Bet bought 6 apples. She ate 5 apples. How many apples are left? A total of 6 apples. One part is 5 and the other part is unknown. The number sentence is 6 minus 5 equals to k, and k is 1. So how many apples are left? 1 apple is left. Students work on this activity independently following these directions. Teacher exemplar sets expectations. Here are answers that provide immediate feedback. And here are the sample questions. And this activity also comes with a list of vocabulary that students can use to come up with their own word problems. And there is a blank card for students to write their own, a list of their own words.